Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm super excited because I just got in 2 packages. One is my bi-monthly Scentsy Club and the other one is my monthly Scentsy Club. So I'm super excited to share them with you. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. Are any of these your favorites? All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with my bi-monthly because my monthly is much bigger. So we're going to start with my bi-monthly. I've whittled it down because you guys, my quarterly is out of control. So I had to calm it down just a little bit. Okay, so my first one is Gimme Candy. That is one of my favorite fall scents. It was a scent of the month, maybe September. Smells like candy corn. Now, I'm not a huge fan of eating candy corn, but the smell is amazing. Oh, it's so good. So I got Gimme Candy. This one is one of my favorites. I'm about to start warming it soon. It's still cold outside, so I want to enjoy this when it's nice and sunny and warm, and it's a lemon coconut chiffon. I like this for my kitchen. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, you get the bakery note in it. Oh, it's so sweet and good. So you get the tart from the lemon, but then the coconut, you get the coconut and you get the chiffon. Very sweet and yummy. I love it. The next one is Love You Very Much, which is just a really good berry scent. I actually give this one to my daughter. It's a powerhouse fruity scent, and it's so good. Oh, she's going to love that. I can't wait to give that to her. Okay, then the next one is Cutie Pie Cupcake, which just legit smells like yellow cake. It smells like cake. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Cutie Pie Cupcake. The next one is Hazelnut Latte, which I have become obsessed with in my kitchen. It's so good. It's good. Okay, when you smell it on cold, you're like, yeah, it's good. When it's warming, you guys, out of control. So good. All right, so it's no longer available. I don't know if you could put it in your Scentsy Club. I think you might be able to. I think you might still be able to till the end of the month, but it is so good. All right, so that is my bi-monthly. Okay, so now we're going to be talking my monthly, okay? And I'm just going to start where I ended with that one. In my monthly, I got 4 hazelnut lattes. I like it a latte. You see what I did there? I like it a latte. You guys, it's just so good. It is so good. All right. Then for my bathroom, if you've been following me, you know that I love coconut cotton in my bathroom. That's what's going in there right now. Occasionally I'll throw in maybe some strawberry rose, but I love this in my bathroom. It is so good. I changed the wax. Was it last night or this morning? I don't know. I think it was pre-coffee. But yeah, I changed it. I think it was this morning, and it's just so good. It is so good. The next one is Flirtatious. It was a Bring Back My Bar. I believe you can still put it in your club till the end of the month. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. The next one is also a Bring Back My Bar, and it's Green Tea Smoothie. I love this scent. This is also a Bring Back My Bar. You can still put it in your club. Oh my God. Oh, it's so good. I love it. The next one is also a Bring Back My Bar, and you can still put it in your club. I got 2 bars of it, and it's Pear Blossom and Cucumber. Beyond good. Oh my gosh. Ah, so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, so good. The next one, let's go with another one that is okay, this is still available. This was the scent of the month for February, and I put 2 of them in my club because I like it so much, and it's pink coconut. I love coconut, you guys. Oh my God, it's so good. Oh, this scent is so good. Pink coconut, and it's still available, you guys, and you can put it in your Scentsy club. The next one is a Starburst Sky. I got 2 of them. It's part of the Valentine's Day collection, and I believe you can still put that in your club as well till the end of the month. Oh my gosh, so good. So delicious. So I got 2 Strawberry Skies. Okay, then these are older bars that I'm going to go over now. These are no longer available to put in your club. From the Catching Z's collection, Shut Eye. I love it. That's what's in my bedroom going on right now is Shut Eye. I love it. It's a total bedroom scent for me. Oh, it's so darn pretty. So pretty. Right, the next one is another bedroom scent for me, and it's Love. This was from the Valentine's Day collection last year, and I loved it. So good. So sweet. Fruity. Just, delicious. It's Love. All right. The next one was part of our Easter collection last year, and it is Blueberry Burst. I loved it. I know a couple people didn't love it. I loved it. So I have my little stash. Ooh, I can't wait. See, right now it's still really cold, so I'm not ready for these scents. Like, I don't feel like it's spring, so I'm not ready. I'm still doing not fall or winter. I'm just doing more like cozy scents, more like well, like this toasted marshmallow. I've been doing a lot of toasted marshmallow. I got to put fried ice cream in my club. I forgot. That's another one I got to put in my club. I better do that as soon as I'm done here. Oh my God, toasted marshmallow is so good. Fried ice cream is still available to put in your club. It is part of that Bring Back My Bar. And I just thought it was just okay when I smelled it on cold. I was like, same thing with hazelnut latte. I was like, oh, it's okay. I mean, it's not like the best. And then I've been warming it. It's really good. It's really good. I need to put that in my club. To-do list. All right. The next one is an oldie but a goodie as well, and it's cherry almond pie. I'm not ready for this one yet either. But dang it if it's not delicious. Oh, you get the almond, you get the cherry. Oh my gosh. To die for. So good. All right, so that is the bars that I got from my Scentsy Club. Now, I also get a pack of cotton cleanups. Got to make sure I have my cotton cleanups and my air purifier filter. I have one. So we have 2 air purifiers and they both have the red lights on. I need to switch them out. And now I'm so excited that I got this because now I have 2 so I could switch those out. I like to switch them out on the same day so I remember when I did it last. But yeah, I'm super excited. So I got that. All right, so let's talk a little bit about Scentsy Club. If you're like, what is this club she's talking about? Like, does it cost to be part of a club? No. Scentsy Club is free to join. And basically what you do is any bars or products that are still available as far as consumable products like counter clean, your laundry stuff, light bulbs, cotton cleanups, bars, room sprays, etc. You can put those in your Scentsy Club and you can get them to come every month, every other month, or every 3 months. you decide, which is fantastic. So you're not like stuck in anything. You can change it anytime you want. Here, there's a caveat to that. Did I use that word correctly or did I not? I think I did. Anyway, there's rules to this. The rule is, let's say you put in a counterclaim and then that scent goes away. They pull it from your club, okay? So the only thing that will be guaranteed is your bars. They have something called Always Get My Bar. So even when they're not available anymore, they'll still make it just for you. So here's the thing. As you see in my monthly, I put 4 hazelnut lattes, okay? Now, maybe I decide 4 is too many. I haven't decided that yet, but maybe I do. And I want to go down to 3 or 2 or 1 or to completely take it out. I can totally do that. But I can't go up to 5 bars. I can't increase the amount when it's no longer available. While it's available, you can change it anytime you want. But when it's no longer available, you cannot increase, you can only decrease. And if you pull it out of your club, if you delete it out of your club and change your mind and it's no longer available, you can't put it back in your club. It's gone. Also, you can skip your club 1 month. So like, let's say, you know, something broke on your car and you're like, I can't do any extra expenses this month, so I'm going to skip. You can skip 1 month, but if you skip another month, those bars get pulled out of your club. So you got to monitor that. But Scentsy Club's great. I mean, most of my bars are no longer available. And as of March 1st, none of them will be available. So that's the great thing about Scentsy Club. And right now, we're getting ready to say goodbye to the fall, winter, and hello to spring, summer. So what you got to do, and what I already did, was all my favorite fall, winter scents that I'm like, ooh, if it doesn't come back next month or next fall, winter season, I'm going to be really sad. You got to put those in there, just like I did with Gimme Candy. Gimme Candy's in there. What is it? Bright Cider Life, Spiced Ember Glow. Like the things that I'm like, ooh, if they don't put that back in the catalog next fall, winter, I'm going to be so sad. Well, I won't be sad because I'll get mine. So that's the cool thing about Scentsy Club. They have a lot of perks. Also, with those perks, when you spend $30 on your Scentsy Club, you get 10% off. Yes. And if you spend $60, you get a half off item, which I used my half off on the filter. So obviously on the larger product, right? You can even buy a whiff box, which whiff boxes are already at a discount. But then if you put them in your half price, then you get them at a huge discount. You get them at half price, which is phenomenal. Also, you will get a referral code. So let's say you send that code to somebody and they set up a Scentsy Club, like one of your friends or family. And every time their club runs, for every $1 they spend, you'll get 2 points. For every $1 you spend, you get 1 point. So you get more points, you get double when somebody else orders under your referral. And you can use those points to pay for your club or catalog items as well. I think that's everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know if any of these were your favorites or what you have in your club. And I will talk to you again later. Bye.